My name is JJ Wang and I am the co-founder of Sterka Concepts. My dad has always wanted to start a bike business, so I had an idea. I am a professional remote control car racer and enthusiast. I've always loved motorsports and anything on wheels. From these ideas, my dad and I started this company. We wanted to create something different from other bikes out there, and what is unique about the Sterka e-bike is that it comes in a kit and you actually get to build it yourself. The kit comes with a step-by-step instruction manual to guide you through the process. You'll definitely have a lot of fun building it. This beautiful, high-quality performance e-bike is made from carbon fiber and aircraft-grade alloy. This reduces the weight and adds strength to the bike. The majority of the bike is made using CNC and laser cutting machines. This process adds flexibility to what you can do to the bike. The bike rides super light, and with the 5-speed transmission hub, it shifts between gears really smoothly.
I would definitely say it rides better than any bike out there. So what we wanted to do with Sterka Concept is to innovate and create cool stuff that set us apart from different brands. And the Sterka M1 bike is our first product, and many more to come.